Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeeYog, day 2 of our 100 days 100 Python project challenge. Yesterday we started with a simple hello world automation. Today we are going one step further. We are creating a smart calculator that can actually understand your English command. Instead of typing mathematical symbols, we will type sentence like add 5 and 7 or subtract 9 from 20, and our Python program will respond smartly. Yes, sounds fun, right? Let's decode the logic together. The goal here is not just to calculate, it's to make Python understand like a human or human language. That's where string manipulation and pattern matchings come into the play. Okay, so we will use a module that is RE module. RE, it stands for regular expression. It helps us to pick a number out of a sentence, no matter how the user type them. How the user will type, it's not matter that. It will help us to pick a numbers out from the sentence. So we will start by importing the RE module, and then we will define a function that called smart calculator. Smart calculator, and inside of that the function will takes a text query. Will take the text query, something the user will type and process it. We first convert everything to the lowercase. So our first logic works smoothly, no matter how the user will type. In uppercase they will type, or in lowercase they will type, or in mix they will type. So query is equal to query dot lower. Okay, then we will write here the condition, and now comes to the decision part. We will check which operation words appear in sentence, like add, subtract, multiply or divide. If the user will type add, so we will extract all the numbers from the query. For that, what we will use? First we will write the condition, if add in query. Then we will use here numbers is equal to inside the list integer, means all the number will convert into the integer, and here we will find the digit from the query. So for finding the digit, what should I write here? I will write one loop. So for num in RE regular expression dot one function is there, that is what, find all. So I will use here find all function. In that find all function, what we want to find? We want to find the digit. So for that purpose, we have /d. From where we need to find? We want to find from the query. Okay. Then we will write the logic here. Its logic, it will return the sum of numbers. Okay. Here, using the find all function, we will find the digit from the query and it will convert into the integer. Then it will store in the numbers. Then we will use the one function, that is sum function, and store in the, and numbers is there, that numbers will sum. Okay, so this is the logic we have written for add. Now another logic we will write for subtract. Okay, so this one is nothing but we have written the logic for add. So we store the numbers in the list and convert them into the integer, and then just use the Python built-in function, that is sum function. It's simple and elegant. Now we will write the logic for subtraction. So elif subtract. Subtract where? In query. Okay, and here also what we need to do? We need to get the digit from the query. So in num, same thing we can write for num in regular expression dot find all. Plus query. Digit we want from the query. Okay, so this is the elif for subtract. Okay, and here now I will write for multiplication purpose also, or for division, for divide also we have to write the same thing. Okay, so what should I do? I will just copy and paste it. Elif, and here I will change to multiply. This one is for divide. Okay, now I will write the logic for subtract. So it will return number in that which one we want to subtract. So number index of 1 divide or minus by number of 0, means in which what is the number in first index is divide, or it's subtract by which one number is in 0th index. Here one more logic I will write. If length of numbers is greater than equal to 2, okay, if the length of number is greater of 2, then only it will work. Otherwise else not enough numbers. Okay, means we need two numbers will be not there, then it's not an enough numbers. So here we again extract the number, but this time we subtract the first number from the second. For example, if you type subtract 9 from 20, the program will give the answer is 11. Okay. Now I will write multiplication logic. So in this number, what it will do? It will find all the digits and convert into integer. Then here I will write the multiplication logic. So or for n in numbers and multiply to in the where in the result. So what I will do, I will create one variable here as a result equal to, and I will keep it at 1. Otherwise, if I will keep 0 here, then it will multiply to 0, then all the numbers will become 0. So result multiplication and store in the result. Okay, whatever the numbers it will get from the numbers in the loop, so it will multiply to the result and store in the result only. Okay, so this is the logic of multiply. If the user say multiply or product, so we will multiply all the extracted number one by one, and this shows how flexible Python can be with multiple conditions. And finally we have the division logic. Okay, so we will write the logic for division. So for that already we are getting the digit from the query. Okay, and also one more thing here, we need to return the result. Okay, and next for divide. Okay, so I will write for divide. So I will write divide, and here return the numbers divided by number 1 is divided by numbers of 0. Okay, when if the here I will write the condition if length of numbers are equal to or greater than 2, and number of 1 is not equal to 0. Okay, means index on the index of 1 is not equal to 0, otherwise infinite number we will get. Why? Because any numbers is not divided by 0. Okay, and else not invalid division. Okay, so equal to 0, else here I will write invalid division. Correct? Okay. So here we have written the condition for add, for subtract, for multiply, and for divide. Okay, so here now at the last else condition we will write else return. What it will return? It will return if any user will type any other thing, so it will return sorry, I didn't understand the query, please try again. Okay, now we have created one function. The function name is smart calculator. For this smart calculator, I will call to this function. Okay, so for calling the function, what I will do, I will create one loop, and this loop will work up to the condition is not break. Okay, so query is equal to, in the input I will write input, enter your query. Enter your query. Okay, and here I will write if the query dot lower, if the query dot lower function, here I will write is equal to exit. So we say print existing start smart calculator goodbye, or else not else, here break, otherwise print here result smart calculator query. Okay, so this print, it will work this function. Okay, it will call to this smart calculator query. Okay, or for starting purpose, what I will do, I will write here one more statement for print welcome to smart calculator, and type exit to quit. Okay, let's see how it is working. Execute this one, and here we are written while loop. This loop lets the user keep entering command until they type exit. Each time we call our smart calculator function and print the result instantly. So enter your query. So here I will enter query add 50 270. See the answer. Result is 120. Okay. Again, this query is asking that enter your query until you will not type exit. Okay. Let's see for divide. So divide 50 from 100. So the result is 2.0. Correct? And if I will type any other, minus 70 from 100. So what it is showing? Sorry, I didn't understand the query. Please try again. Okay. So again I will type here subtract 70 from 100. So answer is 30. Means our smart calculator is working fine. I will type here enter the query, exit. So exiting a smart calculator. Goodbye. So that's it. You have just built a calculator that understands your language. The next time someone say Python is just for a beginner, so just show them this. This is not for beginner. Okay, so remember, a small daily logic build create coding power. Keep your consistency, keep your curiosity, and I will see you tomorrow with day 3, something more creative and interactive. Till then, keep coding and keep growing. This is Yogesh from CodeeYog signing off. Thank you guys.